Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you update system software if not updating on Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic. To manually update the system software on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic, if it's not updating automatically, you could follow these steps. First thing, make sure that you have enough battery and it has at least 30% battery. If you're using a watch itself, then what you could do is you could try using you could go to your settings and go to system and go to system update and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If that's not the case, you could go to the wearable app. So for that, what you want to do is you want to open up the Galaxy Wearable app on your Galaxy or on your connected Android phone. Open the Galaxy Wearable app and navigate or tap on watch settings within the app. Then look for it and tap on watch software update. And if an update is available, tap download and install. The watch will automatically restart and display the process bar or animations while it's updating. If the update still doesn't appear or fails to install, you could try these steps, that is check for VPN or other connections. You could try disabling it while you're actually updating it. And next thing is disable airplane mode and Bluetooth as well. If the issue still persists on, you could try rebooting both your watch as well as phone, and that should be able to help you out. If not, you could go ahead and force stop Galaxy Wearable app. For that, long press onto the wearable application, go to app info section and click on force stop. That should be able to help you out. These are some of the ways to update system software if not updating on Galaxy Watch 6. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.